Bitcoin rebounds overnight after the latest news from the Middle East. Injective announces a major partnership, and Worldcoin is launching a layer 2 in order to keep out bots. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
Bitcoin saw flash volatility on April 19th as geopolitical turmoil in the Middle East spilled into financial markets. These accompanied renewed tensions between Iran and Israel, a particularly sensitive topic for Bitcoin this month, which fueled a major drawdown from $70,000. Amid rumors that the situation might not escalate further, Bitcoin staged an equally impressive rebound from the lows, reaching local highs of $65,000. Trader Skew noted that both long and short Bitcoin positions were being burned by the volatility. He said shorts blown out here and now seeing more interest from longs, aka longs opening. Skew added that spot demand was currently driving the rebound, which was only about an hour old at the time of writing. He said bids filled during the trip below $60,000 were sizable. Credible Crypto wrote, "Doesn't look like much, but that's $100 million in Bitcoin bids just moved up a low price to support the move up. Good luck getting back in if you sold the bottom because of some news headline. We've been over this a million times. Stop acting on the headlines and focus on the chart." And Crypto Ed added, "Okay, let me call the bottom here. If, no more big news comes out from the Middle East, I believe the bottom is in and Bitcoin starts its next leg up and does a nice relief halving rally." We also just posted a video about the #1 deep in altcoin of this cycle, which will be huge. So if you haven't seen that yet, make sure to check it out after this video, link down below. INJ, the native token of the Cosmos-based Layer 1 blockchain Injective, peaked substantial investor interest today. In an official statement released today, the Layer 1 blockchain announced a strategic merger with Jambo, a Web3 mobile infrastructure aiming to provide Web3-based escapades to budding economies in Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. According to Injective's latest announcement, the collaboration with Jambo aims to bring blockchain-powered financial solutions to emerging markets via a specifically designed smartphone for users, the Jambo Phone. With the partnership coming into play, numerous Injective native dApps, such as Ninja Wallet, will be injected into Jambo phones, empowering millions of users to access the Injective ecosystem seamlessly. Jambo is a mobile phone infrastructure firm dedicated to linking emerging markets with the digital world through user-friendly, affordable technology. The firm unveiled its Jambo Phone, a Web3 Android 13 smartphone, which aligns with this vision, now offering aid to Injective's DeFi venture. At the time of writing, the Injective token has gained 15% in the last 24 hours, reaching $28.39. Our partners at Ritestream have just landed their third project, Tari. Cryptoknights is their all-new reality TV series where promising blockchain projects have an opportunity to seek funding, mentoring, and a launchpad to success, pitching to a panel of entrepreneurs. They shared on X, Tari is a groundbreaking Layer 1 blockchain protocol that will revolutionize how we move value around the world. Its unique architecture and elegant design will make it a leading on-chain network for real-world applications, real-time payments, stablecoins, real-world assets, gaming, and beyond. The problem, an untapped multi-trillion-dollar market opportunity, today's blockchains are hard to use and have a fatal flaw. They have no privacy. It's common for every transaction and wallet balance to be visible to everyone. This isn't how the real world works. There is no online tool one can use to see everyone's bank balance or credit card transactions. As a result, default surveillance blockchains can't support real-world applications. What's worse, participating in other protocols often requires a user to be an early investor, buy tokens, or farm an airdrop. This system is broken. The solution, privacy plus accessibility plus community. Tari is pioneering a new path in crypto. Its base layer enables confidential transactions peer-to-peer. This means that users can transact securely and privately, as we do in the everyday world. Similar to Bitcoin, Tari relies on proof-of-work security model with a unique twist. Mining Tari doesn't require specialized hardware. It can be mined by anyone with an existing laptop or desktop computer. And with 75% of its tokens reserved for miners and the community, Tari users will own the network, not bots, investors, or farmers. Check out Ritestream and their show Cryptoknights with the link down below. The iris scanning identification platform Worldcoin plans to launch a Layer 2 later this summer. Currently, Worldcoin runs on the popular Ethereum rollup Optimism. Worldcoin's Layer 2, named WorldChain, will be built using Optimism software set the OP stack. WorldChain will use its proof of personhood technology alongside financial incentives to try and make it harder for bots to turn a profit. Worldcoin is a Sam Altman-backed startup using biometric data to distribute a universal currency and verify humanness in the age of AI. WorldCoin launched over the summer and just recently surpassed 10 million users on its World app wallet. WorldCoin says with the growing usage, its current blockchain home is getting a bit cramped. Tiago Sada, the head of product, engineering, and design at WorldCoin, said that approximately 43% of all activity on Optimism is currently related to WorldCoin. There are many layer 2s at this point, where WorldCoin thinks it can distinguish itself by prioritizing human transactions over bots. Bots and WorldChain power users will pay slightly more in gas fees to subsidize gas fees for casual users, most of whom only transact on-chain a couple times per month. Trading bots are popular in crypto for things like executing trades faster or carrying out automated strategies. A slew of DEX bots tracked by Dune Dashboard did $131 million in daily volume over the past 7 days. Bots can make blockchains less workable for human users though. Bot-related spam is partially at fault for Solana's recent congestion. The WorldCoin Foundation, a nonprofit supporting WorldCoin's development, will collect higher gas fees from bots and redistribute them to humans. Sada said it's not even a fair competition in regards of bots trading against humans. All block space goes to bots, and then just the leftovers can go to humans, and so we want to flip that. On WorldChain, humans will not only pay less in gas fees, but will also be prioritized for faster confirmation times. WorldCoin hopes that its bot disincentivization will drive more organic usage on its layer 2. Our partners at xRaise are a smart contract wallet for gaming built on zkSync. They're bringing account abstraction to gamers worldwide to make it much easier to onboard the next billion users. Account abstraction is like customizing a smart contract account to make it easier for users to do things on the blockchain. You can change stuff like how users pay fees and how transactions get approved. This makes it much simpler for people to use the blockchain. As xRaise has said, we believe the next billion users will be onboarded not via shameless token incentives, but with good onboarding UX. We're paving the way for this paradigm shift by using native account abstraction on zkSync. xRaise makes going on-chain as accessible as setting up a Web2 account. Users can create and deploy their smart contract wallets within a few seconds by just using their email. Our passkey module lets you seamlessly unlock your wallets with your fingerprint, screen lock, or any other supported keys. Now their beta is live on zkSync mainnet, and they share the available features, which include equipped with all zkSync native account abstraction features, social recovery, paymaster, sign transactions with fingerprint or face ID, auto transfer for salary or payroll, NFT support, on-ramp, and under the hood, they have subscriptions, sessions, and batching. Those features like account recovery are going to make it much easier to onboard new users and make it safer for everyone. Check out xRaise now with the link down below. Bitcoin's base layer has a few limitations, including integrating DeFi applications and smart contracts. To address this, the ICP, or Internet Computer Protocol, introduces cutting-edge cryptography to integrate DeFi applications and smart contract features into Bitcoin's base layer. Threshold Schnorr signatures enable multi-signature transactions. It's like two parties signing documents without revealing their private key information. ICP's integration of these signatures will serve many functions. It will enable smart contracts to derive addresses and approve Bitcoin transactions. The integration of these signatures will lead to a lot of functionalities, including signing signatures for etching Bitcoin runes, interacting and bridging BRC20 tokens on Bitcoin's base layer, registering ordinals on the blockchain network without the need for an intermediary, signing taproot transactions, re-registering or reinscribing ordinals, and acting as a bridge between Ethereum dApps and the Bitcoin blockchain. So developers can now build new applications from scratch, and the implementation of the signatures will be out halfway through 2024.